Leaked video shows U.S. fighter jets encountering flying saucer in infamous sighting. Footage released by an unknown source has been doing the rounds on social media of a supposed UFO sighting in November 2004 involving the battleship USS Nimitz. Chris Mellon, who served as Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Intelligence, recently spoke at X-Blink 182 frontman Tom DeLonge's event about the incident over California, U.S. To F-18's approach, the four aviators see that the object has no wings or exhaust, he recounted. It is white, oblong, some 40 feet long and perhaps 12 feet thick. In the clip posted on October 31 by alien enthusiast Tyler Glockner, this mystery craft is seen hovering in the skies. One of the F-18's crosshairs lines it up but is unable to keep track of it when it speeds out of sight. One pilot pursues the craft while his wingman stays high, Mellon added. The pilots are astonished to see the object suddenly reorient itself toward the approaching F-18. In a series of discrete tumbling maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics, the object takes a position directly behind the approaching F-18. As Tyler then says in his video, the craft disappears with seemingly supersonic speed. But not everyone is convinced the clip is conclusive proof of extraterrestrial life. "This is such blurry UFO footage," one viewer wrote. "You're just scraping at barrels." Another added, "Wait, so the leaked information is a black dot and okay you when I believe in aliens."